Hey, we picked up this wood race car kit from Dollar Tree. We thought we might make a Pinewood Derby car out of it. We'll put it together and see how it goes. Okay? You glue the parts together and it's ready to go. Okay, let's get started. Here's the kit. It's called Woodshop race car. There's your parts and instructions on how to do it. It's just glued together. Comes with glue inside the package too. Everything you need right here. There's your pieces. There's your glue. Alright, let's see what we gotta do here. There's your chassis. We need to glue the nose piece on and the rear piece. Be sure you don't get any glue inside those slots. That's where your axles go through. Alright, let's do a little glue in here. Glue this tail piece on right here. There's your glue. Remember, don't get anything in that slot. There we go. Right there. Now, if you want to, you can sit and wait on it to dry for a while, but I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put the whole thing together here. There's your nose piece. It goes right about there. Let's glue it down. Right about there. Straighten it up. There you go. Next thing we need to do is put the axles through and put the wheels on. So we'll slip the rear axle in right here. Oops. Your wheel fits on right here. Glue it on. Put a little glue on the axle right there. Right about there. Slip your tire on. We'll rotate it a little bit, get glue all over it inside. Right about there. Let's do the other side now. Oops. A little glue on it. Same thing with this tire. Put it on right there. There's your rear tires, just need to dry. Now your front axle. Do the same thing with it, just like we did the rear ones. There's one. There's your front axle with the wheels. Let's see, we need the cockpit right there. Body pieces on the side right here, yeah, right there. Put a little glue on it. These instructions are all on the back of the package now. Stick it down. The other side. Had a little extra glue dripped off there. Okay. There's that. Side pieces on the car. Going like railings. Right there. Remember, take this glue a little while to dry so you got adjustment time on it. Here's the other side. Oops. Right there. That glue just don't stick it down till it dries, does it? Alright. Need the wings. One goes on the back right here. Right there. One on the front. Right there. Alright. Oops, knocked the rear wing off, didn't we? Okay. Glue it down. You can adjust everything you need, and there it is. You can paint it, put decals on it, whatever you want to do. Now, if you think this will make a Pinewood Derby car, leave me a comment and let me know. Okay, we will see you next time.